Hi, Aswat here and welcome for today's training progress. And for today's speaking lessons, I'm gonna tell you what is my progress for today. And for today, I managed to create two articles on article marketing, but at first my goal is to achieve 400 words for each articles, but I only managed to write around 350 words for each articles, and I would like to submit to the design articles, but because of the words is lacking, and I think there are also some spelling mistakes and grammar mistakes in there, so I stopped there and I didn't submit it to the design articles just yet. But I will check it one more time, and I will add more words into it, and if the criteria is good, I will submit it the next time. Okay, that is the first progress, creating an articles, because I made that goal yesterday, and today I'm gonna create two articles. For each articles I set a time limit for 30 minutes, so I managed in 30 minutes. I only managed to create around 300 words, but I think it's a good progress for me, and I think I have improved from before. If you compare it to my article writing that I write before, I take around 1.5 hours to create an article around 400 to 500 words. And if you compare with the new one, the new skill that I have, I think this is a good improvement for me. Okay, for the second one, I attend a webinar from the Andrew Hunter about the plugin profits, about WordPress plugin profit actually, and there I learned some very cool things about plugins. If you know that I have in plan to release the first product of my ebook, and that product is about the WordPress plugin, on how to outsource the plugin. But I have the experience outsource one plugin, but I don't think there is enough to for me to release a book regarding of that one experience. I need more, so that I find a mentor, and I think that Andrew Hunter can be a good mentor of mine, and I do join the course. The course costs about around, I think around $300. It's cheap, and I think that I buy his course before the other course, but you know, Andrew is really good marketer. He know what he's doing, and he always over delivered the value for his customers. So I in the members area right now, and I look at the members area, and I think the course is really great, and maybe I can get some point for my next ebook that I'm gonna release soon enough, maybe around August, I think. Okay, that is for the webinars. And for what is it, for the article marketing, we go back to the article marketing. I really like you to know how good article marketing can be, and I just learned about article marketing from Jason Flatlin, my other mentor. I really love his writing, and he taught me in his ebook on how to create an article less than 7 minutes. Of course, I do not get to that point yet. I can't write an article in less than 7 minutes, but I try to have a tight deadlines. And for now, I state that one article each I must finish it in or within 30 minutes, and I will reduce the time limit time by time. Maybe the next week I will reduce it to 25 minutes for one article, and for the next week 50 minutes for one article. It depends on my vocabulary and on my skills on writing, but I know if I keep doing this in a month or two, I will manage to write an article in less than 7 minutes, just like Jason do. And also, I've got the another book of Jason's on how to get the highest article click-through rates. And in here, I'm gonna explain to you some point that is really important for you who involved in article marketing, but no one really go through your articles fully, and there's someone or maybe someone just go by through your article without really without really looking at the content at all. So what is the most important point in when you are writing an article is to spend 90% of your time on your headline, not on the content but on the headline, because people who go through the article marketing or people who go through the article directory such as eZines or Scribes, Dotstock or any others, they will look for the deadline they will look for the headline first. Let's say you provide 30 minutes for writing an article. What you must do is 80% of the approximate time that you have, you must give fully attention to your headline, because the headline is the turnkey whether the persons who go through your article will read it or not. Or maybe someone who go through the eZines find your article in many articles from the other writers that are queen there, but they go through the title. If they find that your title is not interesting enough, they will not click on the articles and they will not read the articles anymore. Okay, that is for the headlines. Second part is, even when someone click on your headline and go through the page where your article is on it, what is the most important thing after that is the opening paragraph. You must get your opening paragraph interesting, and there is the turning point also, and there is the point that we can say whether the readers go through all the articles or only read half of the paragraph. Okay, the opening paragraph have 9 different techniques that Jason said here. 1 is the big idea, 2 scary, 3 the blood boiler, 4 controversy, interesting fact, story primer, the news level, fortune teller. Okay, let's go one by one. We don't have much time here. I'm gonna go for the first point, only for the first point for this lesson today, and about the big idea. For example, recently a group of expert self-help writers got together to decide the real reason why people aren't successful. Here's what they found. You see, that is the first opening paragraph. That what we can say is it is not bad, but there are other things that you can twist the words a bit to make it a little bit emotional or a little bit attention grabber for the visitors to keep reading through the next paragraph. And let's try to change a group of experts. We change it to the handpicked group of mind scientists. You see that mind scientists there, the vocabulary is really rare, and people who go through the other articles will not find the same vocabulary as they find in your articles. That makes your articles really unique, and what you say, there is the attention grabber, and people are really curious about what is the mind scientist and what are you want to say, what are you want to deliver about. Okay, let's go through the full sentence of the opening paragraph in the first sentence. Okay, a hand-picked group of mind scientists have been working on discovering what stops people from becoming successful. Now they are ready to go public with their results. Okay, you see the last sentence here. The first one before we made the modifications. Here's what they found. That's the common words when we want to show people our secrets, or we want to reveal step by step. Okay, the other words that we can twist is now they are ready to go public with their results. Okay, the first one, for the first sentence is the mind scientist. People have the emotions in there. They imagine that the mind scientist is really an expert group, techie, geeky, geeks, or what do you say, really mad scientists or some sort of that, and they keep their secrets to themselves and they not reveal the secrets to the other world. So when the people has the mindset like that, then they read the second sentence. Now they are ready to go public with their results. That is really, what do you say, really contrast there. You can see that there are some contrast in there from the first imaginations, that they think that that kind of mad scientist will not reveal his secret, but the second sentence they say that they see that the mind scientists are ready to reveal the secrets to the public. That means that that the mad scientist really has something to tell. The mad scientists are ready to forget about their own pride or their own job, but keep the results to the public, not keep it to themselves. Okay, I think that's all for today. I think I have something to work on. Maybe someone can understand what I'm saying, but I will try to improve my speaking. I will try to improve my vocabulary usage, and we'll meet in the next time on the next point. Thank you.